Sanibonani. You know what? I'm not greeting no one. Abdeslam. Abdeslam. I can't even pronounce igama lalo muntu lo. Udua. Abdeslam. Udua. Okay. Orlando Pirates have done it again. You see, last night, Orlando Pirates posted a picture of someone's back, of a person, whatever. And let's just so it resembled Orlando Mokwena. Like, it was the back of the picture, not the face, a move. It resembled Orlando Mokwena. No, people. Abdeslam. Nangimbiza ngo Abdeslam. Once again, we've done it again. Jose Rivero from out of nowhere, Smaz. Simon Kier, out of nowhere, wafika. Joseph Zimbabwe, JZ, wafika, besingamazi. Then this guy. Lomuntu, if I'm not mistaken, was the coach of Marumo Gallants for 6 months. How the fuck does this guy get the Orlando Pirates job? What has he done? Who are you?